Welcome back to Me and You Reviews. Today we have another Costco Keep Your Return for you. It's a typical Friday night for us, browsing the aisles of Costco, looking for nice products to check out, and something caught our eye. The HiLites Auto Light with Emergency Tool. HiLites is a reputable off-roading company specializing in off-road lights. So we thought that this must be a good product to check out. It is 7 functions in one, has a flashlight, work light, emergency flasher, window breaker, seatbelt cutter, night vision, red, and magnetic aimant. So, never hurts to be safe. That seatbelt cutter and that window breaker when you need it. Nice to have in your car. This comes in at $19.99 in stores. It is rechargeable, so no batteries needed. That's something we like. Can't wait to check this out. Let's get to the unboxing. Oh, it comes with charging lanyard strap. Very lightweight, but still very sturdy aluminum body feel. Got USB-C charging. Okay, so here on the edge here is the glass breaker in case of emergencies. Let's test it out here first. Unfortunately, we will not be testing that feature. Or fortunately, actually, should I say. And there's also a seatbelt cutter right there. Hopefully you'll never have to use the glass breaker or seatbelt cutter, but if you're ever in an emergency or somebody you see on the road could be stuck in their car to an accident, or you're shopping at Costco and some kid or dog is left in their car, you are prepared. So it's off. Work light 1 high, work light 2 low, flashlight, night vision, emergency flasher, and you can just use it to whack somebody.
Not broken.
Still work. All right, so this is the M3. It has an aluminum hood, so we can't have it stick onto here magnetically. Dun, 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 dun. But we have parts that are metal that it can hook onto. Work light mode high. Work light mode low. Flashlight. Night vision, and your emergency flasher. We wouldn't be keeping this in our trunk because if we were in an emergency and we needed to use the seatbelt cutter or glass breaker, can't get to the trunk to get it. So for us, we will be keeping these in the door pockets. So we tested the Casey emergency tool at night, and honestly, it impressed us. It was super bright, it lit up the trees, no problem. And the magnetic work light is a game changer, perfect for changing a flat tire, checking under the hood or the underbody. The emergency lights are not as bright as the flashlight, but still a great safety feature to have on hand. Now let's talk value. Similar products go for $20 to $30 on Amazon, and this was $19.99 for 2 at Costco. So that's an absolute steal. If you see it in your stores, make sure you grab it because we haven't seen it on Costco online or the app yet, but we will be sure to update the description box down below when we do. For us, this is a solid keep. Make sure you, again, check the information in the description box down below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below of what you want us to test next, and we will see you in the next one.